In this lesson, I'm going to show you that you have different options for solving one equation. So when you see an equation that has parentheses and you're trying to solve it, you have options. We're going to look at this equation, 4 times the quantity x minus 1.5 equals negative 26. And we did problems like this a couple lessons ago with hanger diagrams. But we're going to review that you could either divide first or distribute first. So let's see what that looks like. So if I wanted to get 4 times the quantity x minus 1.5 equals negative 26, and I tried to get x alone, one thing I could do is divide both sides by 4. If I divide 4 times x minus 1.5 by 4, I'm just left with x minus 1.5. Negative 26 divided by 4 is negative 6.5. So I have x minus 1.5 equals negative 6.5. Now to get x alone, if I'm subtracting 1.5, to do the opposite, I would add 1.5 to both sides. Negative 1.5 plus 1.5, that's 0, so I just get x equals negative 5. Okay, now I'm going to show you the other method, distribute first. So I could choose to simplify 4 times the quantity x minus 1.5 and then solve this. So if I chose this method, I'm going to multiply 4 by x and by 1.5. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1.5 is 6, and I keep the minus sign. So now I have 4x minus 6 equals negative 26, and I'll solve this traditionally like a two-step equation. Reverse order of operations, I'm going to add 6 to both sides first, and I get 4x equals negative 20. And then I'll divide both sides by 4. At this point, I'm getting x equals negative 5. Now, it's always smart to go in and check it, but you can see that both of these equations, I get x equals negative 5, so that's a good sign that I probably did it right. So in our work today, you're going to try to solve in two different ways. First, by dividing each side, or first by using the distributive property to rewrite. Sometimes one way is going to be much easier than the other, so I want you to get good at choosing the easier way.